Good day everyone, my name is Ainur. I'm an English teacher. Today I would like to present you a small part of the lesson using some techniques that make my lessons more productive and effective. Okay guys, on the previous lesson we learned module 8a, yes, UFO tour, and today we're going to fix your knowledge and expand your speaking skills. Okay, on the screen you can see learning objectives. Look through them quickly, okay, and we will go on. So, what is a UFO? The abbreviation UFO means unidentified flying object. Some information from the history. Over the years, many UFO sightings have captured the public's imagination. There were a lot of cases in the USA, such as a case in Roswell in 1947, right? Phoenix Lights in 1999, and USS Nimitz in 2004. And my question, what case are we going to learn today? Which one of these cases?
Roswell, New Mexico.
Right, in Roswell, New Mexico. Basing on the text, yes, we have read the text, and it can be appeared a question. Do you believe in UFOs? Is it fact or fake? How do you think? And I'd like you to divide into two groups. Those who believe in UFOs, yes, who think that it is fact, and those who don't believe and think that it is fake. Okay, please divide into two groups. Now guys, we will play a game debate. Your task is to give some arguments and points to demonstrate that your position is true. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
I believe in UFO because there have been many reports from people who claimed to have seen strange flying object. In the article, the journalist visited Roswell and find the piece of strange metal.
It's my turn?
Yes, it's your turn.
I think you live in a really good world if you still believe in people, because I know a lot of strangers who can say any nonsense to have some attention.
Okay, next.
So this is my turn. I believe that UFO exist, and also we have many theories about Area 51, and we know that that's the big clue to that UFO exist, and also we have histories like in Roswell, also as we say, and where we have waves in galaxy, and also even we don't have also air there, and some US scientists believe that UFO exist, and the fact that UFO and the aliens exist, I think we have I can say 80% that they exist.
Okay, right.
I don't believe in UFOs because I think that is fake. Because people often mistake airplanes and weather balance or even stars with UFOs.
Yes.
Аргумент жазу.
Visual and photo evidence. Various cameras, including military and meteorological equipment, have captured footage of identified flying objects.
Okay, right? Aja.
Why UFOs might not exist as alien spacecrafts. No contact that has been made. If aliens really visited Earth, we would likely have had direct contact or communication by now.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go on. Some grammar rules. I'm sure you should know passive voice, right? For the revision, we use passive voice when we don't know who did the action and if it doesn't matter who did it or it is not impossible, right? Now, some examples. The chef cooks dinner. In the passive, we say, dinner is cooked by the chef. Okay, next, the students completed their homework. In the passive, the homework was completed. But make sure that you know which tense you use. If it present, the verb to be is. If it is past, the verb to be is was. Okay, is it clear? Okay, let's play Quizlet game. Who wants to go to the blackboard? Amina, please. Your time is 43 seconds. Okay, thank you. Next, guys from the fake group. Aysana, please. Okay, good job. Your time is 34 seconds. Thank you. Next, take your phones and yes, put in the code or use yes QR. Okay, the winner of the quizzes is Aknor, right? You have 60%. Next, Big Sultan and Sabina. Our congratulations. Right, guys. And the last part of our lesson is answering the questions. Yes, we will use online platform Socrative to fix the lesson. Okay, take your phones. Okay, go on. Answer the questions. Guys, have you finished? Right. This table shows your results, right? And how did you learn the lesson? Yes, I am glad that more of you, learned the lesson well. So, lesson is over, and I hope that our lesson was interesting and effective for you. Thank you, guys.